Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is actually a highly requested video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a couple moisturizer recommendation options for 2024. I'm going to be giving you a few moisturizers that I know are really great that you can spend your money on, and there's definitely going to be something for combination skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin. So I have something for you. If you've been thinking about what moisturizer you need to get, this video is for you. So I'm going to be giving you like 5 moisturizer options. So let's get into the rest of the video. The first moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Cerave Moisturizing Cream. This moisturizer is dermatologist recommended. It is great for dry skin. It has hyaluronic acid and it contains essential ceramide. It's great for restoring skin barrier and it's going to help keep in moisture. It's going to help lock in moisture. So if you have dry skin, this is a healthy moisturizer you should spend your money on. The next moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. The OGs know this moisturizer. It has been in the game for so long and is still in the game right now. So this moisturizer is great for combination and even oily skin. It is a lightweight gel that provides intense hydration. It has hyaluronic acid, and because it provides intense hydration, it is great for oily or combination skin, and it's actually also great for all skin types. So if you've been thinking about it, it is a healthy option. The next moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer. This moisturizer is great for sensitive skin, offering long-lasting hydration, and it also has a soothing formula. So if you have sensitive skin, this moisturizer is going to be great for you. It contains ceramides and prebiotic thermal water. So it is great for sensitive skin. If you've been thinking about what moisturizer to have as a sensitive skin girly, I recommend this moisturizer. The next moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Like, that was a mouthful. This is a gel cream that delivers a burst of hydration and it helps your skin to maintain its moisture for up to 72 hours. This moisturizer is great for all skin types. The next moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. It has the hydrating and it has the replenishing. This moisturizer is great for sensitive skin. It is kind to the skin. It's actually great for all skin types. It is lightweight, it is non-greasy, and it doesn't clog pores. So if you've been thinking about what moisturizer to get and you want a really budget-friendly option, this moisturizer is a great option. So if you've been thinking about it, go get it. The next moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor plus HA. This moisturizer contains amino acids plus fatty acids and is also quite affordable. It also contains hyaluronic acid to provide support to the skin, to hydrate the skin. So this is also a great option. So guys, the last moisturizer I'm going to be recommending today is the Snail Mucin Advanced Cream Moisturizer. You see those glass skin, and if that is what you want, I'll suggest you go for this moisturizer. It's really moisturizing and it helps to lock in moisture. So if you have dry skin, this is a really safe option for you to try. These options are readily available everywhere, but I would advise before you start using any moisturizer, you should try to do a skin patch test to see how that moisturizer reacts to your skin before you use it. If you also want me to do like an in-depth video on different moisturizers for sensitive skin, combination skin, dry skin, let me know in the comment section. I'm thinking of doing a video like that, but I don't know which one you would want to see. So if you have dry skin and you want options for dry skin, let me know in the comment section. You want options for sensitive skin, let me know in the comment section. But these are a few moisturizers that I will recommend to you in 2024. So I have affordable moisturizers here and the ones that are not really so affordable, but these are great options. Don't forget to like this video because it's gonna help the algorithm recommend it to people that will need it. Subscribe to my channel as well because we always talk about interesting topics on this channel, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.